Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to connect the Vivitar Instaprint digital camera to a computer. And this will be a tutorial, so let's get right into this instructional video tutorial. As you can see right here, this is the Vivitar Instaprint digital camera, and I'm going to show you how to connect it to a computer. It's really easy to do. So if you take a look at the actual instant digital camera, and it's a digital camera because you can take pictures digitally, but it's also an instant camera because you can print them out, so it's like an instant digital camera. It's really cool. But if you take a look at it, on the side there's a little port here that says USB, okay? And inside of the box, okay, mine came with a USB cable. On the USB cable, you have two sides. So one side is like the standard side that you would see, the kind of like, you know, you plug into like your computer, right? And the other side is going to be the side that you plug into the device. Like if you know, it's sort of like what you see when you're charging your phone or your tablet and stuff like that. So you're going to take this side, the smaller side, the one that looks like sort of the one that you would plug into a device, okay? Typically, okay? And you're going to plug it into that slot there that says USB, that USB slot. So you're going to plug it into that little port over there, just like that. Okay, very simple. You've now plugged that side in, and then the other end is a USB, sort of the regular style that you would see on, you know, on computers for a very long time. Obviously on modern computers there's different styles, but you know, these have been around for a very long time. This side goes and gets plugged into your computer. When you plug it into your computer, you have now connected your digital camera to your computer via the cord over here. Very simple. That is one method for connecting it to a computer. Okay, that is probably the most mainstream way, the easiest way. Another way, and I've never tried this way, but like if you have a memory card reader, this does have a memory card inside of it, so you could just take out the memory card and you can, you know, use this with your memory card reader, and I believe you could connect it to your computer that way, but as well. But I've never done that, so I can't speak to that specific method, but it kind of makes sense, so I figured I would add it in here. But generally speaking, the cable way is the way that I read about in the instruction manual and the way that I would generally connect it to my computer. But you know, like I said, there is a memory card in there, so if you have a memory card reader, you might be able to use that way as well. I just kind of thought about it right now, to be honest with you, and it kind of makes sense, so I figured I would include it in this video tutorial. But that's it. That is how to connect your Vivitar Instaprint digital camera / instant camera to your computer. Really easy to do, and I've shown you and told you exactly how to do it in this video tutorial, and I've got nothing else to say other than I hope that you've enjoyed the video. So with nothing else to say, we're going to roll the outro. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.